Komo Machine, a U.S. manufacturer of premium machine tools, is proud to present the SolutionXL Series CNC router. Since first introduced in 2004, the SolutionXL has helped manufacturers push the limits of precision, productivity, and reliability. Built upon a rugged traveling gantry design, the foundation of this machine has been engineered for rigidity, stability, and consistent accuracy across long cutting areas. It can be configured with table sizes reaching 110 feet to accommodate large format, tight tolerance production. And because the gantry travels instead of the table, the SolutionXL delivers that massive capacity while maintaining a compact footprint. Whether you're processing oversized parts with high yields, or your production goals demand pendulum processing, the SolutionXL keeps your workflow moving. This machine features a composite aluminum and phenolic table designed for strength, superior vacuum hold down, and geometric stability. You'll benefit from exceptional workpiece holding, even on thin or small parts in a high-speed application. Helping to keep your work area clean and safe is a 6-inch diameter collection system interface rated for 900 CFM of chip or dust clearing capacity. Powering your tooling through machined features is a 19 horsepower, 24,000 RPM spindle. This gives you the muscle and power range versatility to cut everything from wood and plastics to composites and aluminum with speed and precision. With a 12-position dynamic tool changer, your programming flexibility expands, allowing faster job transitions, fewer manual tool changes, and minimized chip-to-chip time. Every SolutionXL is fitted with components from industry-leading suppliers, such as the latest FANUC servo control system with an integrated PC and a bright 19-inch touchscreen display. This interface gives operators the confidence and control they need, combining industrial reliability with modern usability. FANUC's track record for longevity and global support make it the ideal match for a machine built to run for decades. At Komo, we're proud our machines are built right here in the USA. That means tighter quality control, exceptional craftsmanship, and a team that stands behind every router that leaves our facility. The SolutionXL isn't just a CNC router. It's a long-term production partner. Powerful, precise, customizable, and built to last. If you're ready to elevate your manufacturing performance, the SolutionXL has the capacity and the capability to take you there. To learn more about the SolutionXL, visit our website, komo.com, or contact us at the number below, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for machine demos, Komo clips, and application videos.